Okay, so today we are going to discuss that what is mean by solving a triangle. Solving a triangle means find all the missing lengths and all the missing angles. We will learn it one by one. And for this, first of all, we should aware about the missing sides name. There are two terminologies we use. Number one is adjacent. Number two is opposite. Third one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. Three sides are there. Whenever we talk about a right angle triangle, these three sides will exist. Where these sides will be? First of all, we have to find that where is the angle, which angle we are talking about. So angle is here, we can see angle A. Okay. So the side which is opposite to the angle A, this portion, this one is called opposite. It means A side is opposite. This small a means any numerical value, any number will be there, or maybe x that you have to find. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, this one you can see, this is a symbol of 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree. This side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is above against the 90 degree angle. And the third side, which is C. And the third side on which angle is present and 90 degree is present, this side is called adjacent. So these are the three sides of the name. So you should aware whenever any of the right angle triangle is given, you should aware that which side is adjacent, which side is opposite. Hypotenuse easily identify. So you should write the names of that one, hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. Till here it is clear. Any question? Then please ask.
No, sir, no question.
Yes, Abdullah. Till here it is
Yes,
clear.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. For part B, Abdullah will tell what is x, y, z. What is x out of these three?
X is okay. That's J. Y is the hypotenuse, and
Y
Z would
is
be the
hypotenuse.
opposite.
Z would be the opposite, and
X would be adjacent then.
x will be adjacent. Correct. For part C, Rehan.
Yes, sir. The P will be hypotenuse.
P
R
will
will
be
be adjacent.
hypotenuse. R will be adjacent.
Q will be opposite.
Q will be opposite because only opposite is left over. So good. Now it means you have understand that how we find the name of the site. After finding the name of the site, the next thing is what? Next thing is you have to find the angle. You have to calculate the angle as well. Right. Here in this one, generally he mentioned the sides and angle. This one, there are three ratios are there. First of all, we are talking about tangent ratio. It means tan theta, tan angle. What is the formula for tan? It is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tan A is equal to opposite over adjacent. These are the same opposite and adjacent we just identify. So note down this formula. Tan A
Yes, sir,
is
noted.
equal to opposite over adjacent because I will scroll up
Done,
the
sir.
screen. Right? Yes, Abdullah, you also?
Yes, sir.
Note down that formula. Tan A is equal to opposite of A, adjacent of A. Why I use this capital letter A? It means this one is the angle what we are talking about. Okay, note down.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's suppose this triangle is given to you and you have to solve. So here you can see opposite of this angle. What is the name of this side, Abdullah? X.
Yes, sir.
This X is what?
The
What
opposite.
happened? You are not feeling well? This
I
one is
sneezed.
opposite. Okay. And this one is Rehan. What this side name?
Adjacent.
Adjacent. So opposite and adjacent are there. As we have discussed that whenever opposite and adjacent are involved, we will use tangent. So what we will write? Tangent. Here we will write angle. What is the angle here? 22. So we will write tangent 22 is equal to, what was the formula? Opposite over
Opposite over
adjacent.
adjacent. Yes.
Opposite over adjacent, right? What is the opposite side here?
X.
X. Opposite side is X. Adjacent side, Abdullah?
12.
Adjacent side is, Abdullah, you
12.
are busy somewhere? 12.
12.
And
12. I
what
said
about the
12.
angle tangent 22? What is the value of this tangent 22?
I don't
You
have a
can do what?
calculator.
You can do it all together also. X,
Yeah.
here you can see 12 is dividing. When I shift it, it will multiply. So you can write like this: 12 times tangent
Tan
of 22.
22.
All together you can write in the calculator. So you can solve it directly till here, right? So here in the
Yes,
next
sir.
step, I will write 12 times of tangent 22 degree is equal to x. Now tell me complete. 12 multiplied tangent of 22 will be what? Use your calculator.
Sir, 4.84. 4.84. 84.
4.84 is the answer, right? Okay, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
as you both understand that what steps are involved, here you have to be careful whenever they ask that you should give the answer in one decimal place, two decimal place. After that you have to follow. Let's suppose if he asks that give your answer in one decimal place. So 4.84, how you will write this 4.84? Because this one is going on and on. So you will write
Sir, 4.9.
4.8. No, after 8 you have 4, not 5. So
Sir,
4.8. Yes.
okay, sir. Sir,
You will,
the answer was 4.8483. Sir,
then you can write
okay, sir.
4.84.
8483.
So we will check just immediate number after that one, which is 4.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
That's why.
sir.
After 4, even if you have 9, it is not considerable.
Okay, sir.
Understand this point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way by which you will solve the question involving tangent. Any question? Anything to ask?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take the screenshot or note down. Then we'll move on.
Sir, your screen share.
And now it's here.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
My calculator.
This is another question like this. Okay, Abdullah, bring it. What is the name of this side? Because it is opposite to the angle. This name is opposite.
Oh,
This one is adjacent. So opposite
yes,
and
sir.
adjacent are there. It means you will use tangent.
Tangent.
Tangent of 56 degree. So you will write tangent of 56 degree. What is the formula of tangent? Tangent
Opposite over hypotenuse.
of angle.
Opposite over adjacent.
Yes, tangent of 56 degree opposite over adjacent. So different shapes can be given. Different shapes can be given in different format. You have to just identify where is opposite and adjacent. Written example is there. You can
Yes,
go
sir.
through with this example. Now in real life example, how it is applicable. You can see like this. In this one, okay, read this question. Yeah. Abdullah still not arrived?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can.
The angle of
I'm back. I'm back.
approach of an irregular
Okay.
should be 3 degrees if a plane is 3 to 5 meters above the ground. How far should it be from the airfield?
From the airfield. It means he is asking about this x value, the distance from here till there. What is the name of this distance, Abdullah? This x is what?
So I can't see the X. Oh, here,
Yeah, I make the
adjacent.
circle.
Adjacent.
This one is adjacent. Yes. And this 305?
Opposite.
Opposite. So opposite and adjacent are there. So you will use tangent theta formula. I show you the calculation. See, tangent 3 degree, angle was 3 degree, and tangent 3 degree, 305 over x. 305 is opposite and x is adjacent. Here you can see x was dividing. So when you cross multiply, you can see x will go beside tangent. X times tangent 3 degree is equal to 305. And then 305 degree was multiplying with x. So whenever it is multiplying with x, on the other side it will divide. You can see this tan of 30 degree will comes down. So this condition you will get. Understand this condition? Any question then ask. Feel free to ask. X is equal to 305 over tan of 3 degree.
No, sir, no question.
Yes, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Question? Understand this thing? How this thing arrive?
Yes, sir, this is a great question. Yes, I know how to
Okay,
do
now
this.
divide this, you will get the answer of this one, right? I am emphasizing for trigonometry because trigonometry is one of the topic from which you will find the complete question in paper 4. Trigonometry is very important topic. Here we are discussing the trigonometric ratios. After that, we will discuss the trigonometric laws, sine law, cosine law. Only two laws are there. So these things are very important. You must find the question from this topic, even in your paper as well. If you will check the past papers, in every paper you will find a big question with this one. Not only for 3-4 marks. Big question I am talking about. Okay, so I hope no doubt in this one.
Yes,
Both
sir.
of you. Okay, good. Now, here are some of the questions. Here he is asking about the names of the site, but I am going to important question directly now. Question number 3. So in question number 3, part B and E. Solve part B and E quickly and send it to me on WhatsApp. I will
Okay,
check
sir.
and then we'll move on. Okay, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Solve part B and E and send it to me on WhatsApp right now. I am waiting. Okay, I've checked. This one is correct there from your side. Let's move on. Now another question, another task. Again, question B and E. B and E. Now try these two questions. B and E and again solve and take the picture. Send it to me on WhatsApp. Hurry up. Okay, good. I have checked this one. And now you can see that these type of real life problems are there. In this one, in this question, he can ask that what will be the height of this tree. If we talk about the height of this tree, let's call it x. This one is x. This side 30 is given. So opposite to the angle, this one is opposite, this one is adjacent. So the same thing you will apply as you did above. Okay. So such type of questions here you can see this question number 6, question number 7 also. You will have the right angle triangle. He is asking about, see here it is tree, about the height of the tree he can ask. Like this one you can
Yes, sir.
find the missing values
Mm-hmm.
by using tan ratio.
Okay,
Here
sir.
also you can see this ladder is resting with the wall. This side is 3.2. Here this distance from the feet of the ladder to the wall is D. You have to find this one. So in this case, this side is opposite, this side is adjacent.
I would. Yes, sir.
Again, you have to apply the tangent theta. Here in
Mm-hmm.
this one, you have to find the height of this one. But the problem is this, that this complete length is there. This one is 2.4. So here what you can do,
Mm-hmm.
you can make it half and then you can find the half this one. 2.4. Abdullah, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Here, you will consider only this triangle, right? And in this triangle, the distance from here to there will be what? 2.4. What is the half of 2.4? This will be 1.2. This distance from here to there. This angle is 42. This is 4.5. But in this case, what you have, this 4.5 is additional length is given. If you have to find the height of this only, with the help of this you can find. If I redraw this triangle separately like this, So this is 1.2. This one is x. This angle is 42 degree. Can you find this height of this rod?
Yes, sir.
I draw this blue triangle. Okay, do calculate and then tell me the answer quickly. Quick calculation.
So wait. Okay, never mind. I almost got confused for a second.
Sir, 1.33.
1.33. Okay, what's your answer,
I'm getting
Abdullah?
15 for the angle. I'm getting 15.47.
Angle or height?
You asked for angle.
I asked for the height where I write x. You can see here I
Oh,
mentioned this x.
okay, sir.
And this angle will also not be 15 because this one is the right angle triangle. This angle is 90
I didn't
degree.
even see that.
Other
No, I
42.
didn't see that blue triangle. I didn't even see that blue triangle.
Why you are not seeing this, my dear? Done with it?
Opposite.
Yes, Abdullah.
Almost done. Almost done. Opposite.
Should I help you?
No.
You want to try by yourself?
Yes. So I just got my pen and paper.
Where were your pen paper?
In my
This is,
bag.
oh, this is last 8 period. You are searching for pen paper, my dear.
122 over 10, 42. 1.6, 1.66, 1.67.
1.6. What was yours, Rehan?
1.33.
1.33. Okay, now I will solve. What is the name of this 1.2? This
Opposite.
side
So,
is
so you will use the
opposite.
tangent function in this one. You will use
Yes,
tangent.
because we are doing tangent exercise,
Yeah.
so all question will be
Yeah.
tangent. Tangent
Yes, sir.
of 42 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent.
X.
Am I right? Now,
Yes, sir.
if I cross multiply, x will come here. X is equal to 1.2 times tangent of 42 degree. You will
Sir, it's
write this thing in your
1.33.
Abdullah, why you are not one is same? He is saying 1.33. And boys, make sure that your
I wrote
calculator is in
1.5. That's why,
degree.
sir. I instead of writing 1.5, I wrote 1.5.
Check your calculator must be in degree. Okay. At the
Yes, sir.
top side, a
Yes, it's
small d must be
1.33.
represented.
So I wrote the length I wrote is 1.55 for the opposite.
Okay, so 1.33 is here. Okay.
Yes.
Now, the last thing of this exercise is how we can find the angle. If the side is given, how we can find the angle. Let's suppose if we consider this part A, this A angle is not given this time. But opposite to this, the opposite side is 3, adjacent side is 4. Right now, this 5 is useless for us. We are not looking towards this one. So opposite and adjacent are involved. So you will use what? Tangent. So you will write tangent of, but now there is no angle. It is A. So we will write tangent of A is equal to opposite over adjacent. So when you have to find angle A, look here carefully. A is equal to, you shift this tan over there, it will become tan inverse. Opposite is 3, adjacent is 4. This whole thing you have to make and then write in the calculator, right? So this complete thing you have to note down in your calculator. All of you knows that how we can find tan inverse? I hope yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
Okay, do calculate and tell me. Yes, Abdullah, you also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this calculation will tell you about the angle.
So 36.9.
36.9. 36.9 degree. Yes,
Yes,
Abdullah,
sir.
what about you? Agree?
I mean, sir, yes, sir.
So like this, you can find the missing side or missing angle by using tangent property, tangent rule, when you have, which one? When you have opposite and adjacent involved. If this one is clear, then the remaining two ratio will be very easy for you. Yes, any doubt, any question in this one? Then please ask.
No, sir, no question.
Yes, Abdullah, is this one
No,
clear?
sir.
Okay, very good. Now here I am assigning some of the questions and I wish that you should complete and send it to me or at least maintain in your copy. Whenever I will visit your homes, I will check this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in
Okay.
question number 3, I
So what
am
if I
giving
wrote it
you
randomly everywhere?
uh,
What if
A,
I wrote it randomly everywhere? Like
C,
in
E. Don't
different
write everywhere,
books?
my dear. Maintain a proper copy. Then it will help you out as well. In question 3,
Uh,
ACE, note down. Question 3, ACE. That's why from the beginning I said maintain the copy properly, exercise number, questions. So it will help you out when you will going to revise. And see, he mentioned all the answer must be in one decimal place. Angle will be in one decimal place. Take the screenshot of this
Okay,
first of
sir.
all.
Sir, mark.
Take the screenshot and you can share this screenshot with me. Rehan, then I will send to Abdullah because he has the camera issue. He might not take the screenshot clearly. But you have the book as well, na, Abdullah, isn't it?
the, this book, I don't have the e-book.
No, no, I am talking about the physical book.
What? No, I don't.
Okay, I
I
will
don't
share
think
this
so,
one.
at least.
Okay. You have taken the screenshot, Rehan?
One thing, sir, there's a joke, yes, sir.
Question 3, part
Yes, sir.
ACE.
I sent the screenshot.
Okay, I will share with you, Abdullah, also. Here, question number 4 and 5. See, these are the practical example. 4 and 5. Then, question 6, I will
Yes.
solve with you. Right?
Okay, sir.
So, these questions, you have to solve it and send it to me right now. I am waiting for you. This is your activity time. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, Rehan.
Okay, sir.
Solve this question. In case of any doubt, any problem, note down this problem. Or also you can send it to me WhatsApp. I am available right now on WhatsApp. I will respond to you right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I am waiting
I'll
for
send
these
you.
5 questions. Okay,
Okay.
boys. Take care of yourself and complete this one. Bye
The
bye.
class is ending already.
Allah Hafiz.
Sorry. Yeah, I am. Unless you complete this question, the class is on. When you will send this to me, I will check. Then
I
it will
can't
finish.
send it to you.
Try. I will try to read. Set it with the anyone other's camera. Okay, I will wait. Okay, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, boy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.